A quick video to show you that the Hoover Velocity Evo Cordless with the model number 91LD 1715, all those details there, 18 volt. We have a charger for this Hoover here at AC Adapters R Us. Now the battery goes in there, you press the status, it would be flat, charger goes in there. The battery, when released, it pulls out like this, and the battery looks like this here. The battery is called BATTERY18VLI. And it doesn't actually tell you what the charger needs to be, but we have it here at AC Adapters R Us. It's a 21.4 volt, 1100 milliamp adapter with the correct connector. Once it's plugged in and the connector is plugged into the battery, you will see, turn the light off. You see the lights illuminating as it charges. So it's at number 2 of a possible 4. Once it's fully illuminated to number 4, it's fully charged. So we have this adapter for sale at acadaptersrus.co.uk, or you can come to the store in Leicester. We are a proper warehouse shop counter, acadaptersrus.co.uk. You're very welcome, or call us on 0116 212 2754. That's the address. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.